Hey there, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps to easily create a Telegram channel. Be sure to watch the video till the end so you don't miss any important details. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Creating a Telegram account. To start, you'll need to download and open the Telegram app on your device. Once you've launched the app, follow these steps. First, tap the pencil icon at the bottom right corner. This will allow you to compose a new message. Now, in order to create a new account, tap on the New Channel option. Telegram channels are a great way to broadcast messages to a large audience. Click Create Channel. Next, you'll need to name your channel. To set a profile picture for your channel, tap on the camera icon. You can choose an image from your gallery. After setting your channel photo, tap Set as Channel Photo. You can also add a description if you like, and then hit Add to proceed. Now you'll need to decide whether you want to create a private or public channel. Private channels can only be joined via an invite link, while public channels can be found in search, allowing anyone to join using a public link. First, text the name of your channel link. If you choose to create a private channel, you can set a unique private. If you prefer a private channel, your invite link is already generated. After making your choice, tap Next. Now you can add people from your contacts to your new channel. Simply select the users you want to add by checking the boxes. Once you've selected the users, hit Next. Congratulations! You've successfully created your Telegram account. That's it. You've learned how to create a Telegram account. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop them in the comments below. I read and respond to all of them. Thanks for watching.